Today let's make chicken urval. First you need to soak the badge chili for 30 minutes with hot water and keep it aside. Now in the blender add the soaked chilies and make a paste along with coriander seeds and jeera seeds and keep it aside. Let's marinate the chicken with salt, turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste, lemon. You can marinate it for 30 minutes overnight. Now in a kadai add ghee and add the red chili paste and mix it really very well till the raw smell goes and the color changes. Once the color changes, add the marinated chicken, mix it really very well and see to that the chicken is coated very well. Cover it with the lid till the chicken oozes out water and again give it a good mix, so that the chicken is mixed along with the masalas very well. Again cover it with the lid. While the chicken is cooking, let's make a tasty tadka for this. In a tadka pan, add ghee, add cashews. The cashews needs to turn slightly brown, so fry till then. Once the cashews start turning slightly brown, add badge chilies and add lots of curry leaves. Give it a good mix and fry till it turns crispy. Now add it to the chicken mixture and give it a good mix. See to that all the ingredients, the chilies, the curry leaves, the cashews are mixed very well. Finally garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. Check for the salt and your tasty chicken urval is ready to serve.